This is a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. It has a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include alloy wheels, fold-down rear seats, cruise control, a digital information center, a rear spoiler, a security system, a traction control system, OnStar, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 39 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
James Wood Auto Park is located at 3906 Interstate 35E South in Denton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.